Good afternoon, everybody. Nice to have you guys here as always. I'm sure you guys are joining me with love as much as I'm also excited here. I'm always full of love from me to you all. All right, so hold on a sec. Hold on. All right, great. Now let's look at some highlights for last week. I know last week I wasn't around. That's because I was a little bit busy. I was out and up and about. Right now, I'm back to Lagos, Nigeria. Let me know your location, where you guys are joining me from. Where are you joining in from? Where are you joining us from? All right, so now I'm back in Lagos. Yes, you're asking. I'm back. So UK, Abuja, Anambra, Nigeria, Bayelsa. Somebody wrote camp. What camp are you in? Is it boot camp? India, Ghana, Ibadan, Kenya, Benue, Tanzania, Abuja, Anambra, Lagos. Wow, nice to have you all here. Nice to have you guys. Nice to have you guys. Nice to have you guys. Unilag from UK, from the Netherlands. Sorry, I've got a little bit of cold and catarrh, so that's why. I'd like to give a shout out to those members that are just joining us, YouTube here. So Unworu Timothy is a member for 7 months. Thank you for joining in this call. Rosic, thank you for joining in as a member too as well. Nice to have you guys. All right, so we have people from different part of the world right now streaming with us. All right, streaming. So today, I'm just going to keep it short and straight to the point. All right, I'm going to keep it short, straight to the point. Let me share my screen. So first up, I'd love to answer more questions today. Mazi Ibrahim, love you guys too. Love you too. Welcome back, Sam. Thank you. Yeah, I have so much trust in you. Thank you. Just have to trust. Just have to trust everything, because what we do here is 100% legit. And you guys have seen it for the past couple of days, how we've been killing it back to back. But I know the last trade I called when I got back on GJ, I hit the stop loss. Let me give you a review of what you've been going on for, just in case you are seeing me for the first time. All right, let me give you a reason to subscribe to us right now. So on here, Williams have been giving back-to-back trades, which is BTC USDT. He gave that trade, and then this is profit. Okay. Okay, it took us out and went in direction. Sorry, this one hit stop loss and went in the direction according to him. There and there, and then there are still some that went well in profit. I think this volatility went well in profit too. And then this one was one I called that hit our stop loss. You can see clearly stop loss was taken on this GBPJPY, right? So this was when I called the trade right here, which wasn't so long from the time I got back. And then obviously we're always fine, right? So from here, we've also been having bad trades. William also had this one as a loss. I'm sure he's going to explain that pretty soon, why that has been happening. But you know, there are times that are good and that are bad. I'm happy that you guys are experiencing both ways, so you know that it's not all good times. So it's nice that you also experience the bad times and the good times and like with us. I hope you guys still stick around, because we keep things real. We don't fake nothing. So if someone is trying to let you know, cajole you and make you feel that trading is all rosy, that's a big lie. It's not. At least you can already tell from here that we are having losses, and losing streak can stand in a very long time. However, you can also see that we also made some profit here. This is when he's making on US30, he's making 1,600. I think this should be from who? Okay, this was from Shams, all right. And then this one was also in profit. We have also had profit too in time. Like this, we've also had profit. But now I'm good that we also saw the losing part. Now, enough of all this throwback. There are people that are still making $9,000, $2,000, $1,000, $300 daily from this our channel. You can see proof here. See proof. Just come on this channel and you can go over it over and over. So in order for you to join this channel, use this link right here to join this channel here. This is this channel, 5 Pip Signals. Please do not join a fake one so that you don't get scammed. I do not do account management. Do not send your money to anyone to trade for you thinking it's me. It's not me. All right. I hope that makes sense. I keep announcing this in every day. Even some people will still fall for it. Because I wonder how when they fall for it, that's when they start messaging me. I'm like, where were you all this while? Why didn't you ask me? All right. So, but then that is the thing. Please do not fall for any scam. I will not ask you for any money for me to trade for you anything whatsoever. All right. Thank you. So now let's take it a step further. So first off, let's do a top-down analysis on GBPJPY. Before I go too deep, let me see if there's any question for me in the comment section. Is there any question? And you guys follow me. If you follow me, drop number 1 in the chat box. If you are with me now, drop number 1 in the chat box. Oh, Spine. He said, we love you, Jeffrey. Thank you. Thank you. I'm happy that you guys know I keep it real. Everything is real here, guys. Everything is real. Okay, now one. Everyone is with me. Interesting. So now let's go. Interesting. Yeah, I miss you guys too. I see someone saying that he missed me. Just one day I wasn't around here. And then I saw Williams. I was watching on my phone. I saw Williams did a perfect job, and Shams, they did a good job. I come here live every 1 p.m. on Monday because Chukwudi Manu is asking, say, what time exactly do you come here live? Yeah, every 1 p.m. Mondays, I'm live here. Okay, now let's go. So first off, I'm going to use a very clean chart to do analysis of what we have coming on since the day 1 on GBPJPY. Let me use Think Market today. An analysis, a place we have never done analysis before. Okay, good. So first off, what trend are we in? Judging from the time, I had a 4-hour time frame. We are currently in a downtrend. Why? You pull up the corrective move and it's trying to drop again. All right. So hence that will mean that we have to have a trend line from here to touch it here. All right. That's the first thing. First, let me take out. Then we also have a trend line from the bottom. From the bottom, and it ends here, right? So on the 1-hour time frame, we also have got some trend lines that's coming from touching here and here. Then we're on a downtrend, strong one. So on a 15-minute time frame, see, we already broke down and it keeps going down. So for me, there's no any trade to take here. There's no trade to take here. So from here, we keep going down. The market has already left us on GBPJPY. I'll wait for it to set up. Then maybe we can start looking for another opportunity. So let's go to GBPUSD sharp. So check another one, GBPUSD. Same thing, basically, there's no opportunity. There will be no need for me to analyze it because I'm not seeing no opportunity just there yet. No opportunity. So let's check on gold. I want a pair that we can see opportunity and then we'll take it together right now. Gold is a free fall. It's drop. But then no opportunity still. We can't go in now because it's going to be too wide stop loss. So let's check other pairs. USDCAD. I won't stop until I see one trade for we to get in right now. I know you guys have made some losses. So let's make it count. I'm seeing one tiny opportunity on USDCAD. So let's go with USDCAD then. So USDCAD is going to be a buy. Let me do the analysis from top down analysis. All right. So first off, we are in an uptrend, right? So we have a trend line that is touching from here, this bottom, also touching here too as well. So that will mean that I'll have to put my trend line here and here on the 4-hour time frame. Correct. And then next trend line starts from where the previous one stops. Start from here and to drop here. I know some of you are really learning a lot from these free classes, but you might not just know, because that's a very good information I just gave you now. Trend line starts from where the previous one stopped. All right, so from here again, we also would have another trend line. But since we're in an uptrend, market is looking bullish. So hence the reason why we're going to be going in for a buy right now on USDCAD. So it's a buy right now on USDCAD, and we're going to put our stop a little bit below here, which is 20 pip stop. Let's make it 20 pip stop. All right, we're going to target times 2 of that, twice as much. That will be 40 pips take profit. 40 pips on USDCAD. Please go in now. Let's be in profit together. Go in, let's be in profit. So let me go into on my end. So on USDCAD, buy USDCAD right now. Then your stop loss is going to be, hold on, if I call stop loss, stop is going to be 1.44090. 1.44090. So we still have our class session. In case you want to learn how to trade, you want to come physically, we are now open. We are taking clients that are ready to make sure that they are going to make their life better this year. We are taking students. So if you want to come on, let's trade. Let's teach you how to trade. I mean, we're in 1A Tatiana's court, Ikota Villa. That's where I'm currently at. That's where I'm live streaming from. So you can join me right now. Join us right now to learn how to trade. So I'm already in. I'm buying USDCAD rather. USDCAD. All right. Good. So let me send this one to the Telegram. So the importance of joining the Telegram is we share signals there. The same way I'm going to share this one now, just in case you are unable to get it here, be able to see a follow-up through on the Telegram. And even when I leave this live session, we continue on Telegram, giving out the signals. All right. So buy USDCAD. And if it's fine, if you don't trade USDCAD, you might just want to look at us and don't trade. It's fine. Maybe we get to a pair that you trade, and then you can trade. So this is for USDCAD. Let's go to Euro JPY. I just going on USDCAD with just one entry, guys. Don't overstack. Don't overdo it. Can you turn on this AC? Don't overdo it, right? Thank you. So on Euro JPY, it's just similar to what we have on GBPJPY to the movement. So I'll wait. No action here just yet. So let me check EuroCAD. Market is really slow. It's supposed to be overlap session, but it's looking very slow. Don't worry, on USDCAD, still very much active. Let's look at what's going on. So let me send a screenshot of me getting into the trade of my before and after. So guys, check the Telegram right now. My Telegram, check it. I just sent in my position. I only got in with 10 standards. That's because it's Monday, obviously, and I don't really trade USDCAD. I'm only trading it because I'm calling out the trade. I also want to be committed, and then I keep you guys posted on trade. You guys can see my, what's it called now? My position. You can see my stop loss there. My stop loss is 1.44090, correct? So EuroCAD, nothing here is also going on. So let's check Euro GBP. Or give me a pair that you'd like me to look out for you guys. Give me a pair you'd like me to look out for you. Euro GBP is a buy. From here, it's a buy. But I wouldn't be taking the trade because I feel that I would have a very wide stop loss. So the stop loss is going to be here. Here is a buy. So his stop is going to be somewhere around here. It's going to be 32. So the chances of getting twice is very unlikely before he starts reversing. So if I want to trade, I would love to do something like this. But then we should still have one more push. Okay. Buy Euro GBP. It looks certain, but then we are going to manage the trade. It might not get to 1 to 2. Note that. It's not going to get to 1 to 2, but we're going to manage the trade. So if price get to half of what we had initially risked, we are going to break even like this. But for now, start with the stop loss. We are going to manage it. So the stop loss is going to be 35 pips from your current entry. All right? 35 pips from your current entry. So your stop loss is going to be this is 0.83879. That is it. That's going to be a stop loss on Euro GBP. Let me also send this to the Telegram so you follow suit. But I'm not taking trade on this Euro GBP. I'm leaving it by AUR GBP. All right, nice. So let me check on Euro NZD. All right. Oh, nothing not so serious going on. It's just consolidating basically. All right, so we have 2 trades already. USDCAD, Euro GBP. All right. So let's check on CHFJPY. Anytime we trade this pair, we always kill it. So let's see what's going on with it today. This pair is looking bearish. So if price still comes here, price come here, we'll short. Price come here. This is a shorting zone, except price breaks above it. If price is unable to break above it, then we keep it shorting. But if price is able to break above it, we'll be able to buy. All right. So let's keep an eye on CHFJPY. Let me just write something there so that I'll remember. Don't sell yet, but this is what this zone is for. So let me look at your comments. Let me know. Gold, don't trade gold, guys. Don't trade gold right now. All right, do not trade gold. See, say AUD card is a strong sell now, sir. That's from Cash Mail. I don't know. Let's check AUD card just as he's claimed if it is correct. AUD card. Our USD card now is in profit, but it's tiny profit. We just got into profit. It's in profit now. I'm up with about $50, but let's see. Still tiny. We are going somewhere big. Okay, it's 100 plus now, $100 plus, but then still small profits compared to what I'm seeing that it's gonna do. Don't worry, this year I'm sure you guys have made your resolutions, and part of this resolution is to become a Forex beast, to become someone that everyone talks about in the Forex space. I hope that's part of it. I just hope it is part of it. If it's not part of it, it's still not early. This is just January 13th. Go back and edit it. Add it. You need to be known in this Forex space. You need to be known. But don't be the people that talk too much. Be known with results. All right? Be known with good, solid results. Don't just talk too much, because whiskey doesn't talk too much. People that have good results don't talk too much. So you don't want to be talking too much. You don't want to be seen even talking too much, all right? There are many people, they don't talk, just show workings. Just show workings. We don't need talks. We need work. So this guy is currently valid. Is valid because this is consolidation, 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 drop, drop. So this consolidation might take longer. We don't even know, but price should break down and keep dropping from there. All right. All right. All right. So you want me to check GBP So the guy I talk about AUD card being a sell, yeah, the pattern is actually correct being a sell, but it's not a very valid time to get it. Don't get in until this level is broken. This level is broken, then you're in a sell zone. So let's check. There's a pair I saw now. I said I should check on US30. On US30, let's go to Fusion Markets again. US30 is looking a sell. So if this candle exhausts, then it's going to be a sell. Just reading by just candles. I'm taking, we are scalping now, guys. Know that we are scalping. We're not taking long-term trade. It's just all about scalping. But the trade I've caught so far is Euro GBP and USD card. I'm not trading Euro GBP, I told you guys, but USD card I'm in already. Just hold on, guys. Execution time. Execution time. 41,729. US30, I don't even know what's going on. It's so choppy, but I know that market is still looking down a downtrend. So let's keep watching. We're going to come back for that pretty soon. We'll keep watching it on one side. We'll add it to the watch list. Then we'll come back. We'll talk about it pretty soon. So someone said AUD USD. Market has really trying to set up. It's not stable yet. All right. It's not just stable yet because we're just coming back from holiday and everything is just trying to still set up. You know what I mean? AUDUSD is a very good sell. It's a good sell. Drop. It broke these patterns. It's a very good sell. Sell AUDUSD. It's a valid for sell too as well. So on AUDUSD, I'm going to be getting in. You're going to be risking just 17 pips to catch twice as much of that. So AUD USD, let me go in and sell AUD USD. So I'm selling AUD USD, and then the stop is going to be, so we have 3, it's enough. 3 is just fine. So let me let Williams come in. To do the BTC and then the volatility. So I'm in on AUD USD and USD card. These are the two of them that I'm in on. All right. So let me also copy this one and share it to the Telegram. All right. So before I let you guys go, let me talk about lot sizing. Whenever I call a trade, and if you have an account of $100 to $100 to $300, please use 0.01 to 0.03. 0.01 to 0.03. That's what will determine how much you make and how much you lose. That thing I just mentioned now, lot size, will determine how much you make and how much you can also lose. So the more you keep it lower, the better for you. All right. So if you have an account of $50 to $99, set your lot size to not exceed 0.01 and 0.02 max. Hold it and do not enter multiple times. Only enter one, maximum of 2 entries. It's only when it's going on your favor well that you add another entry to make it 2. Do not add to a losing position. Only add to a winning position in that regard, since you are saving, you are being conservative with your account. All right. So also, if you have an account of $500 to $1,000, then you can do 0.05 to 0.1. 0.05 to 0.1. All right. If you want to take much risk, make sure you also go with 0.15 if you want to take more risk. If it's $1,000, then you can even go about 0.1, 0.2 if you want to take more risk. All right. So, and so on and so forth. In order for you to know how to calculate the risk that you want, come to this baby pips position size calculator, like here. Baby pips position size calculator. You put your account you have. Let's say, for example, you have a $100 account, and then you want to risk 2% of your account, and then stop loss pip count. How many stop loss? Like now on AUDUSD, we say we are risking 17 pips. So you're going to change it to AUDUSD, but let's just use Euro USD. So that would mean that you're supposed to use 0.01 lot size. So this is the one you're supposed to pay attention to. Do not pay attention to any other one. Only just this one that you are going to be paying attention to know. So you go on your MetaTrader, you go to 0. You put in 0.01. All right. So that's how it is. So all right. So let me let Williams take it from here. Williams, take it, and I'll be back to update you guys on the profit we are in. All right.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Good morning, good evening, whichever part of country you're joining from. You're highly welcome. So sorry, my voice, I'm having a cold, and that's why you can't hear me properly. But I'll do very much well to try and shout so you guys can hear me. Okay. So on BTC today, please remember that we are trading BTC by 2 p.m. at 2 p.m. That's what I'll be sending the signal. But let's analyze the market. Let's know what market is doing for us today. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. Let me present my screen, entire screen. I'll go over to trading view. Now this BTC USDT. Let me remove the session breaks. So one thing, if you notice something, around last week, we had like 2 losses last week on the signal that I dropped. And the reason was because markets was changing the direction, but we were not able to get it right. The time that we got it right, market took us out before going to our direction. But that is fine. Do you understand? Because when we want to make profits, we make way more than what we are losing. But one thing I want you to understand is, do not try to in any way trade against the trend. Always make sure you follow the trend. And when you follow the trend and you realize the market is reversing, just hop out. So I'll go over to the daily time frame. Once the daily time frame sees the market's on the downtrend, so it's not going to be ideal for us to be looking for buys when market is selling, unless market is giving us a reversal pattern to buy. Do you understand? So then we'll not come over to the 4 hours time frame to now check. Is market giving us any reversal pattern to buy? Guys, please, can you hear my voice very well? You can hear me very well. Can you hear my voice very well, please? So once my screen is not sharing, is that true? No, I doubt. My screen should be sharing. Please check, confirm if my screen is sharing. Let me stop sharing. Enter screen, then share. All right, my screen should be sharing, please. All right, perfect. Someone said that I can. Okay, sharing now. Oh, perfect. So first thing first is that you have to come over to the daily time frame. You're a day trader. Now, you don't need, as a day trader, what you need to focus on is the previous candle. All this is not your business. Now, on the previous candle, market is selling. So I'll come over to the 4 hours time frame now. Market is not giving me any reversal pattern. So if I'm trying to sell this market, then there's a problem. So the only time I want to sell. So if I'm trying to buy this market, then there's a problem because market is not even giving us any reason for buy, which is there's no reversal pattern on the 4 hours to buy. Then I come over to the 1 hour time frame. Market is currently on a downtrend. So on the 15 minutes, as a day trader, what you're expecting market to do is to sell. We're trying to sell BTC. Please, even if market start buying, it's a retracement to sell. It's a retracement to sell. So I'll draw my trend line, expecting an area of confluence towards to shoot this market for a sell. Please, if you buy Bitcoin, make sure that it's a short-term buy, because if you leave that buy for a long term, it will eat your stop loss, it will eat you out. So if you're looking out for BTC, by 2 p.m. we should be selling Bitcoin. When markets are giving us an end pattern on the 15 minutes, we'll be selling BTC. All right. This is my analysis on Bitcoin. Let me give you for Ethereum. ETH. Now, there's something I want to teach you guys about the psychological levels of Bitcoin. So I've seen a lot of people, before I go over to Ethereum, people ask, what is the psychological level of Bitcoin? How do you know the psychological level of Bitcoin? The psychological level of Bitcoin is 500 pips from the current market price. So if this is the current market price, I click on my horizontal line. When I click on my horizontal line, I place it. When I place it, and second is that those psychological level work very well on Bitcoin. Yes, it works so well on Bitcoin because it's just normal. It's the normal thought process of human being. You want to buy at the round numbers. You want to buy at the round figure. That's the thought process around the psychological level. So I double click on it to change the coordinates. So now on this coordinates, I'm going to put it at 90 what? 9,500. 9,500. This is it. So after 9,500, the current one, the next one is going to be what? I'm going to just plus one above and one below. The next one is going to be 91,000. 91,000.0. So for you to know if you're correct, you just get a measure rule from this particular level. So it should be 500 pips. So it's equivalent to 500 pips. That's when you know you're correct. Now you come to, for us to drop below 90,500, the next one is going to be what? It's going to be $90,000.0. This is how to plot your psychological levels on Bitcoin. So please, psychological level act as support and resistance, act as a zones for us on BTC. So just wait for it with a couple of your confluences like trend line, chart pattern, and candlestick, then shooting for a sell. So now do not do anything to sell the market. Wait for 2 p.m. Wait for me to send a signal to the channel and you jump in for the sell. But are we going to make money today? It's very certain. If you try to buy BTC, please make sure it's a short buy. Make sure it's a short buy. All right. I'll come over to Ethereum. I'll go over to Ethereum. On Ethereum, the same thing, almost the same thing. I come over to the daily time frame. I get to the 4 hours. Ethereum is also a sell, please. Ethereum should also be a sell. For people trying to sell Ethereum now, do not sell Ethereum now. Wait for 2 p.m. too. I'll send signal on BTC. I'll send a signal on Ethereum. And the last one should be BNB. The last one should be BNB. I'm so sorry about my voice. I'm having cold. So sorry. I really apologize. So on BNB, I'll come over to the daily time frame. I'll get to the 4 hours. So on BNB, I'll also be looking for a sell. Well, please, these three pairs are called BTC, Ethereum, BNB. Wait for 2 p.m. Nigerian time. Wait for my signal. Because to gospel, you definitely going to make money if you follow my signal. And let me send the signal to you guys so we can all eat on these pairs: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. And I also showed you how to draw the psychological level on BTC. All right, very important about these guys. If you have any question, can you let me know? Someone said, I don't blow my account 2 times for a signal. It's because you're not using proper risk management. It's your own cup of tea. You are trying to take a signal and you don't even know how much you're risking. You don't do that. You have to make sure that you're using proper risk management. In as much as our signals do hit back-to-back profits, always make sure you use what? Always make sure you use your proper risk management. Don't be ignorant on things you don't know, bro. Very important. Synthetic signal, I'll be sending you during the weekend. Synthetic signal is more of weekends. Do you understand? But I'll do my best to be sending it early in the morning and also in the morning for you guys to also eat as well. I'll send the other one for you. All right. So if you have any question on BTC, can you let me know so I can answer that for you? The days that we're making a lot of money, the days that we're hitting profit back to back, you won't come and answer and talk. It's not when you have lost or you blow account. Don't be daft. Don't be ignorant, bro.
All
Why
right,
do I trade
Williams.
BTC at
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, Williams.
Okay, yeah, the reason I trade
God.
BTC at 2 p.m. is because of the fact that it's New York session, it's Bitcoin USD. So you don't see me trade BTC USD during the Japanese session. It's only during the New York session, all right? Thanks so much, boss. I
Okay.
really appreciate
Thank you, Williams, for the back to back for what you do for the community, right? We trust, we know what you can do, right? Because you are going through losing streaks doesn't mean anything. There are times I've also gone through losing streaks too, so it doesn't mean so much. I'm here watching everything. I know you definitely will come back with this one. So guys, relax with your comments about the losses you had last week, and it doesn't make so much sense. All right, relax, 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 relax. So now let's talk a bit about about the signals I've caught so far. So on AD, AUDUSD. I call it USD. I call it USD card. Okay, I've seen AUDUSD. So USD card next. For the buy, so it went up in profit now. It's back on. It's currently at the entry point, which is 100% fine. All right. So let's see how well this things turns out with time. All right. So for interesting questions that people are asking me, how can I learn? Da, 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 da. Don't worry, you have to be sure. If you really want to learn with us, you can always find out how to learn. Just go to firepipsfs.com and you join us straight up. We have online classes, we have physical classes in Lagos. So it's simple. All you need to do is to come to the website and you get started with us here. And this is the online class. So you can see the web link. It's firepipsfs.com. You join us right now. People are currently live in class with us, and you can also come to the class to learn with us. Any one of them that fits you best, we are available to serve that your trading needs that you'll be looking for. All right. Now, for those who are saying that they lost as a certain point, please make sure that you use proper risk management. I think we need to set a day aside to teach proper risk management. All right. Because I'm using 10 lot, 50 lot, 100 lot doesn't mean you too can as well do it. They are what we call risk management for different accounts, and there are reasons why there are different lot size. We have mini, we have micro, we have standard lot size. There are reasons why that is. All right. So if you go on your account, that's why I was dishing out the account sizes you should use. So if you come on your position size calculator, if you're using a $100 account, you should stick to 0.01. All right, 0.01. If you have an account of $1,000, $1,000, and you want to risk 2%, depending on your risk appetite, you want to do 0.11. All right, this is what you need now. So Forex learning exists in stages. There are stages you should be learning how to apply risk management. There's a stage for strategy. There's a stage where you have to be learning how to exit the market, execution. There's a stage you need to maintain what you have already made from the market. So the question I have for you, what stage are you? So there are some stages that is not meant for everybody. So that's why sometimes I love to start from the beginners aspect, because I know that there are new people that are seeing this channel every day that are wanting to learn. So that's why I love to start from the beginners. From there, somebody saying buys on go. That's not me. Please don't buy on go. That was a mistake to come up. So you have to learn all these stage by stage. You have to learn the money management, trade management, risk management. You have to learn the strategy, and you have to be getting good with psychology. That's what matters with trading. All right. Nice. All right, so I'll have to call it a day today then, because somebody said I should check GBP No, no, no. Ask me questions regarding your learning, what you're currently struggling with. Let's talk about. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Oh, Bernard Amos, you new member. Welcome here, Bernard Amos. Nice to have you, Bernard. Thank you for becoming a YouTube membership. And OG Samwise, nice to have you too as well. Thank you for becoming a part of the YouTube community too as well. All right. What is the best leverage for $100 account before you go, bro? Best leverage is 1 to 1,000 for $100 account. Before you come for me, let me explain why. The reason I would have said you should stick to 500, but $100 is really small. If you want to flip that $100 because it's a small amount of money, then go with 1 to 1,000. The smaller the amount of money, the bigger the leverage you should choose. All right. The smaller the amount of money, the bigger the leverage you should choose. But if you have a bigger amount of money, you don't want to lose that money fast. So then you have to choose a smaller leverage. Okay. How do you detect and manage investors' fund? Like I'm discussing about that here just openly. All right. It's a private stuff. If you want to learn about that, you come closer. Um, all right. Nice. Please give us take profits on the signal. They are take profits. Okay, let me show you the take profits again. Where I stopped, whatever I'm risking, I love to take twice of that. You see, I'm risking on this trade, we are risking 20 pips. We are taking times 2 of it. So take profit will be 1.44696. On this trade, this is on USD card. Then on Euro GBP, we are buying, then the take profit would be twice of what we are risking. 35 pips, we are catching twice, which is 70. So it should be 70, which is 70 pips, right? So you put 0.84968. Then one more AUD on AUD short in on AUDUSD, and then it's pulling up a bit. So soon all of these things is going to be in profit because their point of retracement, we call them, then we'll be in profit pretty soon. I'll keep you guys posted on the Telegram channel. Please make sure you're in the Telegram channel. That's where I'll be giving that's when I'll be giving my other offers on what you should be doing at each point. You see now, see somebody that is texting now. He said, I'm on a massive loss after taking your buy trade on GBPSD. This is the second time I tried following your signals. I'm in a loss. But like, when did I call GBPUSD? If you know the kind of DMs we see every day, you'll be so amazed. When did we call? Have we called GBPUSD today? We only said that there's no. I never even analyzed GBPUSD. I only said GBPUSD. There's not going to be opportunity. So he probably took that trade even before we said it. I didn't analyze anything. Nothing on GBPUSD. Funny comments you see every day. Funny things you see every time. Okay, so guys, take it easy. I've checked GPUSD. There's no opportunity. There's no opportunity. There's no opportunity there. All right. Someone is laughing. Maybe the person is pretty new to trading, and because he thinks that I only trade GBP, people know that I always trade GBP USD. Then, so when I say buy, they'll just go ahead and go and buy on that particular GBP USD. I mean, when I'm clearly saying it is USD card and AUD USD and Euro GBP that I'm calling on. All right. So I hope that makes sense. So, guys, I know everybody might not get me on the first day. With time, if you stay along, hang on. I'm only saying stay with me for about a month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. You'll be able to understand how things are being done. Don't rush to fund your account and blow it. All right. You can fund your account, but don't trade it. To watch what's going on. At least you should also learn from this person that is talking about a pair we didn't call. With that, you can learn from there and know what not to do and what to do at each point in time. So I'll keep you guys posted on that Telegram on the outcome of this trade. When to close, I'll let you know. If you ended in loss, I still will let you know. Obviously, you should end in profits. I will let you know. All right. So take it easy, guys. Bye for now. Bye for now. Take care.